Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a beautiful and functional navigation menu in WordPress using Elementor for free. Whether you want a simple header or a full custom menu, this video has you covered. Let's get started. First of all, we need to create our menu in WordPress. Go to Appearance, then Menus. From here, then click Create a Menu. Give it a name like Main Menu. Add your pages, posts, or custom links to it. Click Save Menu. This is the menu we will display inside Elementor using a widget. To display the menu with the free version of Elementor, we'll need one extra plugin called Elementor Header and Footer Builder. Now, go to Plugins, then search for Elementor Header. Select it and activate it. Now you can use the new menu widget which normally requires Pro. Okay, now let's create a header that includes our custom menu. Go to Appearance. From Appearance, choose Header Footer Builder, which you installed earlier. Then click Add New. Choose Header. Set Display on entire website and click Edit with Elementor. Inside Elementor, drag in a section with 2 or 3 columns. On one side, add your site logo. On the other side, drag in the nav menu widget. Choose the menu you just created. Style it with font, style, sizes, colors. Make it match your site perfectly. Now, click the responsive mode at the bottom and choose to tablet or mobile. Like that. The nav menu widget automatically turns into a hamburger menu. You can adjust the toggle icon, menu colors, alignment, and drop down spacing for mobile devices. Make sure it looks good on all devices. Now click Publish and now your custom menu is live across your site. Head over to your home page and you will see your new menu in action. And that's it. You have just created a custom navigation menu in WordPress using Elementor for free. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want more Elementor tips like sticky menus or mega menus. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.